Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from Celsius to a new wallet detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, log into your Celsius account using your credentials. Navigate to the withdraw section in the app. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Enter the amount you wish to send. Now, open your new wallet where you want to receive the funds. Locate and copy the receiving address from your new wallet. Return to the Celsius app and paste the copied address in the appropriate field. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct. Review the transaction details, including the amount and destination. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may be asked to complete a security verification step. Once verified, submit your withdrawal request. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take a few minutes. After the transaction is completed, check your new wallet for the funds. If the transfer is successful, you will see the amount reflected in your new wallet. Always keep a record of the transaction for your records. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Celsius support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.